In today's fast-moving supply chain, the greatest risks aren't always the ones you can see. SIF-class incidents, blind spot interactions, and near misses happen in split seconds, and every second matters. This is where our Prevention First safety platform becomes essential. At Trio Mobil, we develop next-generation technologies to maximize employee safety and save lives. Introducing Trio Safe AI, we combine AI-powered computer vision with high-precision UWB detection to deliver coverage where camera-only solutions fall short. Our technology detects dangerous proximity in deep blind spots between forklifts and pedestrians, even through racks and walls, automatically issuing alerts and slowing the vehicle before a hazard becomes an accident. Simultaneously, our AI cameras monitor the entire environment. They instantly detect pedestrians in the vehicle's path, triggering visual and audio warnings for the operator. When used together, this multi-layered safety system creates a redundant shield. It detects movement in real time, achieving up to a 98% reduction in near-miss events. But safety goes beyond the vehicle. Our AI risk radar acts as an intelligent shield, monitoring your facility 24/7. It detects unsafe behaviors, from smoking and PPE violations to fire risks, providing real-time awareness and detailed records. Proven by the world's leading brands and deployed across more than 65 countries, we support multi-country rollouts with a single standard of excellence: real-time awareness, measurable impact. Because at Trio Mobil, we believe every employee deserves to return home safely.